When first faced with the terms literacy and numeracy, I was certain it was similar, if not the exact same as English and mathematics. My understanding about literacy was the ability to write and read, with my understanding of numeracy being how to utilize operations within different forms of sums. Within school, I excelled in mathematics and struggled in English, so I had told myself that I would be good at least for half of this subject. However, after the completion of the first class, I realized I had misjudged both the terms literacy and numeracy as well as the subject. There were topics such as critical thinking and identifying poor resources that I had already learnt prior. However, learning such as literacy in everyday life and the elements of literacy were new to me. I was oblivious that speaking, interacting, and listening are considered literacy skills. Without this subject, I would most likely just consider writing and reading as the only two literacy skills obtainable. The elements of literacy skills are placed into categories such as reading, writing, and speaking. Each category has various skills that need to be achieved so that the main goal can be performed. For example, writing is a literacy skill, but how does someone write? Through understanding and performing the skills of handwriting, spelling, punctuation, and grammar, someone can write. Additionally, while undertaking this class, I was able to grow my knowledge and understanding of problem solving. My awareness of utilizing numeracy skills in the real world was considerably good, as I understood that measuring or weighing something was an example of this. However, activities such as being able to read a clock and positioning and locating something are all things that I was oblivious to as numeracy skills. These skills are also within categories consisting of number sense and algebra, measurement and geometry, and statistics and probability. Similarly to literacy skills, to achieve the aim of fluency in these categories, all the numeracy skills require to be developed. The ability to apply numeracy to real-world applications of mathematical concepts was a challenging topic to grasp. But once I understood it, it assisted in viewing and understanding life as well as numeracy differently. Various activities and resources were utilized to assist in the development of my understanding and knowledge of literacy and numeracy. Resources such as infographics provide multiple perspectives and allow for difficult information to be processed quicker and easier. While developing these learnings such as literacy and numeracy in everyday life activities and the elements of literacy and numeracy, the consideration of how important it is to understand these terms has greatly improved. Due to the development of these new learnings, I have grown as a literate and a numerate citizen. After evolving my literacy and numeracy skills, I understood that both numeracy and literacy interrelate, with terminology being useful for the completion of mathematical concepts. The ability to problem solve both literate and numerate complications is crucial to apply all the skills within my toolbox that I have learnt and developed. I think as a future educator, it is important to understand the terms literacy and numeracy entirely so that my future students can learn effectively and efficiently.